Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream puffs from Mashle. Combine water, butter, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a rapid boil. Quickly add all the flour at once, stirring continuously until the dough forms a ball and leaves the sides of the pan. This process cooks the flour, which is crucial for a light and airy puff. Let the dough cool slightly before incorporating eggs one by one. Once your chew dough is ready, transfer it to a piping bag. Pipe uniform mounds, about 2 inches in diameter, onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, then lower the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. This two-stage baking ensures they puff up and dry out properly, preventing them from collapsing. Now let's prepare the delicious cream filling. Whisk together egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, and a little milk until smooth. Heat the remaining milk in a saucepan until it's simmering, then slowly temper the hot milk into the egg mixture. Return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the cream thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla, and cover with plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill completely. Finally, it's time to assemble your delightful cream puffs. Once the baked chew shells are completely cool and the pastry cream is thoroughly chilled, you can fill them. You can either slice the puffs in half horizontally or make a small hole in the bottom and pipe the cream inside. Dust with powdered sugar for a classic finish. These are best enjoyed fresh, so share them with friends and family. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.